Hey guys, if you've seen my video on list quotes, you're going to see a little bit more information about the command that is a little bit more maybe power user geared. So the first thing I want to show you is it was very simple before to type list quotes, but now instead of typing list quotes, if you want to save some time, you can just type LQ for the shorthand for it. And let's go ahead and do that. And there's our list. And now I'm going to talk about the different roles and how being a buyer or a seller of the Cataworx instance changes how you can interact with this command. So right now we're logged in as a seller, and the sellers have all of the permissions that you can do with the command, and the buyers just can have a subset of what they can do with the command. So the first thing is that if you just type list quotes as a seller, you're going to get this full list of all the quotes. And right now, this is all the quotes that we have in the instance, so it's not very big yet. But if it was bigger, we would be seeing all the quotes up to the 25th quote. And then after that, if you want to see more quotes, you would need to type list quotes all, and that would give you all the quotes. But if there's less than 25, you're going to see them all anyways without typing that. The other difference is that as a seller, you're going to see your company's quotes, KCTEL quotes, and then you're also going to see your partnered quotes. So for an example, we have Red Hand, and if they made any quotes, we'd see Red Hand right here in partner. And as a seller, if you only want to see quotes from Red Hand, you can type, let's use the shortcut, list quotes, RHD as their key. And so each key is going to have a 3-letter key that allows you to interact and get information from them. So Red Hand has no quotes, and so we get that message. The list quotes by status, in the previous video, I showed you that you could type list quotes approved, and that still works as a seller, so I'm going to not show you that again. And then I'm now going to show you if you want to like kind of limit your lists down, if you're seeing a lot of quotes, you can type like list quotes. Let's go back to the other way, list quotes, and let's say I only want to see 3 quotes. So then I get 3 quotes, and they're sorted. You're always going to see the quotes starting with the approved quotes first, because those are the quotes that haven't been accepted yet or rejected or are being modified. And so those are the quotes that you probably want to see first, and they're going to be the quotes in chronological order closest to the date that is the current date when you ran the command. Cool. So, and then the other things, I think that's about it. Let's try list quotes, and let's say we want to see approved quotes, and let's say we only want to see 4. So let's try that out. And yeah, so that's another thing. You can combine the let's call them modifiers to your command. So you can say list quotes approved 4 and only see approved and 4. And I believe you can probably do that, like say you could probably say list quotes approved KCT 4, and that should work as well. Alright, thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Be sure to visit our YouTube channel for other videos in the Cataworx Community Portal Quote video series, or continue now with the next video in this series.